welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable location in our Realme phone. Guys you want to disable guys your phone location settings, so guys how we will disable it in this video fans. I am going to show you guys how to disable location in our Realme phone in this video guys. I will show you guys. So first of all guys open your phone setting to disable location. So we will turn on our phone setting and guys scroll it. So friends scroll and guys you can see phone location setting friends, tap here and once you can see your location settings. So once you want to disable, so guys you can disable from here guys. So right side of this icon guys you can see red, yellow, green, any purple icons. So you will have to click on your front of location icon and guys you can see location will disable means off. Then guys we cannot use guys this location setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Thanks for watching the video guys. Bye friend. Before going please go and like the video.